Okay, for 98, they want us to simplify. So A, I have x squared times x squared, that's x to the fourth. And then I have y to the third, right? So x to the fourth, y to the third. For B, I have 3 x's in the numerator and 2 in the denominator. So that's an x left in the numerator, x to the first, right? And then I have 4 y's in the numerator and 3 y's in the denominator. So that's 1 y left in the numerator. So I have x, y. The next one, I have a positive times a negative, so I have negative. 2 times 3 is 6. X squared times x to the fourth is x to the sixth. Remember, we add exponents, right? And the next one is 2x all raised to the third. So that's 2 to the third, x to the third. But we cannot leave it in exponential form. So 2 to the third is 2, 4, 8, x to the third for D.